Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back and watching this video. Today I will be talking about showing you another page kit. This one is massive though because I have a lot of photos and I just really think that this color combination is really cool, so I kind of want to play around with it and get some things done. So I'm going to be starting the kit off using the Jack and Jill kit, and this is what it comes with. I'm not going to go through each page, but this is what it looks like right here with the sticker sheet. So I went off of these colors and based a kit off of it. So I have my cardstock. So here is like a light gray, a lighter gray, and then a darker gray, and an orange. So I have two of each page, so I can make some blank pages. I have this sticker sheet that I will be trying to use up, and I just basically went through because a lot of photos, some are taken out of shower and some are just of boys being boys. So I have a guitar, just so many cool things in my stash, so I hopefully will use these up. I am gonna bear you guys the boringness, but I went through all of my stash and basically grabbed any kind of scrap that matched the color scheme, and some whites and stuff like that. So a lot of this hopefully will be used up, if not the majority of it. So the next thing I have is stickers. So I have this really cool border sticker right here that I want to try to use. And then I have some of these Heidi Grease, these chipboard pieces. They just match the colors, so I figured it would be cool to use some of these on some layouts to add some dimension. I have these from the dollar store, and these match the colors, so I figured it would be cute to add these on. And then this was actually a page kit I had together a long time ago, and I actually used the majority of it, so I'm really just looking at using some of these letters and words, but if I can use some of these, I will. And this is from Teresa Collins. So then I have this huge embellishment kit. I have some stickers, so let me just go through them really quick. So I have these stickers from Tim Holtz. I want to use some of these. These are just like some word stickers in black and white. Let's see, more stickers. I have these cheers. I have two of them, so I figured if anything, I can use some of those. I have some mustache stickers, and then these chef guys, just anything guy related I kind of pulled out. I have some arrows, and then I have some of these cameras. I'm going to try to go a little bit quick because it looks like my battery is going to die soon. So these are actually some stars, which look really cool. This collection is just some of these that I thought matched pretty well. And then I have some arrows. These are kind of like see-through, so they're going to be really neat to play with. I have the punches that I want to try to use. So I have this one right here, the bow tie and the mustache. I have see. I have this like arrow and then a couple of like boy themed, ooh, dropping stuff, some music, and then this one is a mustache. So really cute. And then I have some, just like, these are actually, this is actually wood. So I want to try to incorporate that to geotag wood. And then these are a whole bunch of tags from a collection. These are all boy, like baby boy themed, as you can see. And then these are actually just like another collection that are kind of masculine, and I figured these match perfectly with the colors. So I'm really excited to use these because I've had these in my stash for a long time. And I've also had these in my stash for a long time too. These are like those puppy stickers. So I do want to use these up as well and incorporate those. Here's some more tags. These are just like little like file folder tags that I want to try to use up. And then in here I just have a whole bunch of randomness. Just like there's more of those things. I have like some buttons, I have some flair, I have like these little stars and cameras, just like a whole bunch of fun things to use. This one right here is really cute. You are right here. And then I have so much more in here. So I have a lot of the flair and just like little people, if you can see that. And some more buttons that went really good with the collection. And just more flair. There's more wood pieces. So really trying to use up my stash in the sense of buttons and flair. I didn't want to like overdo it with the buttons because I probably could have, but I didn't. So that is the largest collection I think I've ever made. So I look forward to seeing all the layouts I create with this. If you want to see, just make sure you hit that subscribe button and I will show you guys everything that I make from these. I already have my photos in the page kit, so that will be easy for me to organize the month and get some of these kits completed. So I hope you all have a great day and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!